question. Show that the relation is congruent to on the set of all triangles in a plane is an equivalence relation. So dear students, to solve this problem, here we have to analysis about this question. We have to prove that the relation is an equivalence relation, and the given things are what? Set of all triangles in a plane is the set given, and the relation between any two triangles from the set of the triangles is congruent. So let us consider, I am going to decide that the three triangles, first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, from the set of triangles. Okay, so here we have first case for which I am going to consider del 1 comma del 1 belongs to R. If I consider this order pair is belongs to the relation, means del 1 is congruent to del 1, and this statement is true. Why? Because triangle is always congruent with the itself, therefore it is true, therefore you can say R is reflexive on del. Second, if del 1 comma del 2 belongs to R, which implies del 1 is congruent to del 2, and if any triangle is congruent with other triangle, then you can say vice versa is also possible. So del 2 is congruent with del 1, which implies del 2 comma del 1 belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric on set of triangles del. Third, if del 1 comma del 2 belongs to R, which means del 1 is congruent to del 2, and del 2 comma del 3 belongs to R, which means del 2 is congruent to del 3. So dear students, as you know that congruent triangles means they having the same size, same area. It means you can say if triangle first is congruent with del 2, it means triangle second, then triangle second is congruent with del 3, it means del 1 is congruent with del 3. Which implies del 1 comma del 3 belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive on del, because R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore R is an equivalent relation. On set of triangles delta.